In this video, we are going to see some of the important time functions that is available in Excel, like now, hour, minute, second, time value, and all, because this is very effective, especially if you're working on any of the sheets related to time. You might need some calculations where you might be using these formulas, especially in maintaining the timesheets and all the other records related to time. So first of all, if you want to show the current time in the Excel sheet automatically, that means not only it will show the current time, it will automatically update it the very next time if you open the sheet or even in the live sheet. So the formula is very simple. It's equals to now, hit enter, bracket open and bracket close, then hit enter. What this will do is this will show the date and time both. And the time will be in the 24 hours format. But let's say I want it into a specific format like this one. How will we do it? Just right click here, click on format cells. You are in custom format where the format is show the date in DDMMYY format and show the hours and minutes as well. But as you can see, we have a lot of options to choose from. If you want to just show the hours and minutes and not the seconds, we will choose this other one, the third option, which shows the AM, PM as well. That means this is in the 12-hour format. And not only that, you always see the sample at the top, how it will be shown. So click OK, and now it shows the proper time. Also, if you want to generate the time just by printing it directly from the clock and writing it as a text, you don't have to write it manually. Just hold Ctrl and Shift on your keyboard and press the semicolon sign, and it will show you the current time in the text format. Now let's learn how we can separate the time into hours, minutes, and second, and that's very simple. Almost the same like we did for the dates. Equals to hour. It only separates the hour from here, and it's always in the 24 hours format. So you can convert it manually. Let's say that I want it to be 12 hours. I can divide it by 12, and now you have the serial number that you need to convert into a journal format. Sorry, we will not divide it by 12. We will minus 12 from here and just go to the home tab and make it journal format. And now it's showing the proper hours. But I'll keep it to the original one, which is 16 hours equals to minutes. Minutes. Let's select the date and it will extract the minutes. We can also extract the seconds if we want. So seconds, let's select that. Hit enter. Now in some situations, we have the scenario where we have to combine all hours, minutes, and seconds into a proper time. And here we use the time format. Time, first of all, hours, then we will press a comma, minutes, and then seconds. Hit enter and we have the time again. In some situations, we should have the time value extracted. And here we just have to mention the time in text format. Let's write PM as well. Hit enter and it will show you the percentage, but don't worry. If you just see the percentage, just convert it from the home tab to journal and it will show you something like that. Now we do have some text function as well, and text function will work here in time scenarios as well. Just select the time in the value and format text. Let's say from this scenario, we only want to show the hours. That's it. Hit enter and it will extract 16 hours. If we want it to show only hours and seconds, it will show us hours and seconds. If we only want to show minutes and seconds, it will show us minutes and second from this date. So that's how you can use different combinations in the text function as well. And you might have noticed that the text function works in all of the scenarios, especially if you want, let's say, only a specific part like hours, minutes, seconds. It is able to extract every kind of information that you need. So that is how all the time function works in Excel. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.